Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TriTip Creations. Today showing you the recipe of kottu curry mainly prepared in South Kerala. There are different variations to it. In South Kerala we add many vegetables in kottu curry. So let's see how to make this easy and healthy dish. First take around 1/4 cup of black chickpea and wash well. Soak it for 8 hours or overnight. After soaking it for overnight, transfer it into a pressure cooker. Add 1/4 cup of water and let it cook for 4 whistles. While chickpea is getting cooked, let's prepare the masala for our kottu curry. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 3 dry red chilies. Roast them well in oil till they start to splatter. Switch off the flame and add few curry leaves. Keep it aside and let it cool completely. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. We are going to roast coconut. Once oil is hot, add 1.5 tablespoon of urad dal and roast it till it turns golden brown. At this stage, add 1 cup of grated coconut. We are adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to roast coconut faster. We are going to roast the coconut till it turns golden brown. Now coconut is roasted well. Transferring into a plate to cool. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add cumin seeds. Once it starts to splatter, adding some curry leaves. Transfer it along with roasted coconut. Let them cool completely. By this time, let's check on chickpeas. It has cooked well and there is still some water in it. Adding all the vegetables along, a handful of green peas, 1 cup of raw plantain, 1 cup of yam cut into cubes, half cup of snake gourd, 1/4 cup carrots. You can use other vegetables like white gourd and pumpkins. Adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half-inch piece of asafoetida. You can add the powder instead. A small piece of jaggery crushed and the required amount of salt and few curry leaves. Mix everything well. The remaining water is sufficient enough to cook the vegetables, so not adding extra water. Close and cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. Once the roasted coconut is cooled down, taking around 3 tablespoons of roasted coconut and grind it into a smooth paste. Let's also powder the roasted spices. Keep it aside. Now, after 1 whistle, all the vegetables are cooked well. Transferring into a clay pot and keep cooking till you are left with no water. Then adding the roasted coconut paste. Combine everything and cook further. Now add crushed cumin, pepper, curry leaves along. Mix well. Adjust the salt accordingly. This is the correct consistency. Finally, adding the remaining roasted coconut and combine everything well. Our delicious kottu curry is ready. All vegetable pieces are well coated with the masalas. Try out this healthy recipe and let us know your feedback. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.